Do you want to know how you can log into your Winston AI account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your winston.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar to search for Winston AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this login portal, which is the official login portal of Winston AI. You can log in using your Google account, Facebook account, or your email address. To log in using your email address, write down your email address associated with Winston AI in this box, and then write down your password. After you write down your email address and password, go ahead and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign into your Winston AI account. If you want to log in using your Google or Facebook account, go ahead and click one of these. So let me log in using my Facebook. After I click Facebook, you can see that in order to log into Winston AI, you must have Facebook logged in this browser. In a while, this page will load up and then you will log into your Winston AI using your Facebook account. Now, let me show it to you once again how you can log into your Winston account. Now this time I will show you how you can log in with Google. Go ahead and click Google and then choose your Gmail. Now click continue to sign in to winston.ai, and in a while you can see that you have been logged into your Winston AI using your Google account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.